Out of the box, every smartphone is assigned with a unique advertising ID. An advertising ID is used by Google and app developers to show personalized ads based on the user's interests. This information is primarily used to improve ad relevance and effectiveness of targeted ads. In this tutorial video, I will walk you through deleting the existing advertising ID and getting a new one on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 smartphone. But before we move on, please like and share this video so that it would also reach other viewers who might be needing the same information. Now let's get back to our main topic. Whenever you're ready, launch the Apps tray and then tap the Settings app shortcut icon that's represented by a gear-shaped figure. Alternatively, you can launch the Settings app straight from the Quick Settings panel of your phone by swiping down from the top of the home screen and then tap on the gear icon from the Quick Settings panel. Once you're in the Settings app menu, scroll to find Google from the list of items and then tap on it to proceed. Google-related features and services will load up on the next display. Navigate to the services on this device section and then tap Ads to continue. The Ads menu will load up with a couple of options for you to manage ads personalization on the phone. To generate a new advertising ID, simply tap the option to reset advertising ID and then tap the option to confirm reset on the pop-up menu. You can also get a new advertising ID by deleting the existing ID permanently. To do so, just select the option to delete advertising ID from the Ads menu. Doing so will prompt the system to remove the current advertising ID assigned to the phone and enable the option for you to get a new one. If prompted, read and review the details on the next screen to learn what happens when you delete the advertising ID on your phone. Once you're all set to proceed, tap Delete Advertising ID at the bottom to confirm. The current advertising ID assigned to your phone will then be deleted entirely. A quick confirmation label saying, Advertising ID deleted will also appear beneath the screen, and the ads options above are replaced with the option to get new advertising ID. To get or acquire a whole new advertising ID for your Samsung Galaxy, simply tap Get New Advertising ID. A new advertising ID will then be generated and assigned to your device. This will then be the basis for apps to show you the next set of personalized ads. And that's it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon should you wish to get notified of the latest tutorials and troubleshooting guides we publish. Thank you for watching.